Okay, so we're going to repair a leaky toilet, push button toilet, like this one right here. And when I put the lid on, you would hear water running into the bowl. So the fix for this is, which worked for me, is we're going to take the lid off. And these push buttons underneath, which these operate here. Now it wasn't the buttons, I thought maybe they needed adjustment. Well, first of all, we have to turn the water off. So we go down here. Turn this valve off here. Then you just grab this and you turn it. Just kind of pull it together. It'll come up, and there's a gasket right here. Now you're going to take this gasket off and you're going to flip it over, which I've already did this one and it did resolve the problem. But just to show you, I'm going to do it again for you. So let me set the camera on the tripod. So you take this, just pull it out like that, clean it up, flip it around, put it back on like that. There, you can clean this up with lime away. You can put lime away in the bowl. Just pour a cup down the toilet bowl. And what it is calcium buildup. I'm going to flip this back around because I've already flipped it around once, so this side seems to work better because it fixed the problem. Just so I don't have an issue when I put it back on. Now, take this and you turn it opposite when the push button is filled. Then you'll turn the water back on. Put your lid back on. Shouldn't have a problem. I do have calcium buildup. I need some lime away. This all needs to be cleaned. And that's the problem, that lime away, that calcium buildup gets in that gasket, and then you'll hear when you put your lid on, you'll hear continuous water running, which is your water leaking into your bowl. So that gasket seemed to be what the problem was for me, replacing the gasket under those push buttons. It should be golden when you hear water stop running. Thanks for watching How to Fix a Push Button Toilet.